In this video, I'm going to show you how to add this cross symbol in cells in Microsoft Excel. So first, go to the border tool and then scroll all the way down. Then here, click on more borders. And then over here, you want to click on this, or you can just immediately click on this white space and then create this X form and then click OK. And here you can see we have created this X form. If you want to copy it to other cells quickly, you just Control C, then select the other cells and then go to paste. Click on this down arrow and then other paste options, and then just paste the formatting, and that's pretty much it. We have pasted the same format across multiple cells. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.